we are on the outskirts of Vegas. Never would have thought this would have been Vegas. Free camping. Absolutely gorgeous. The weirdest looking tree I've ever seen. Here come the boys. Hello, Captain Ruger.
Is it recording? What's this? It's counting.
It's recording.
So it just automatically turns on?
It's the button up there.
Mommy!
Yeah, I just tried to turn the power on though.
Oh, you push the wrong button, obviously.
Oh, power.
Goodness gracious.
There she is. The beautiful wife. Huh.
Ground. It's like solid.
Let's hope so. You'd hate for it to become quicksand. It's salt, lick it.
This is not borax.
You want to race?
No, I want to raise.
It looks like it's pretty stabilized.
Oh yeah, it's got the gimbal feature. No more shaky videos. Got this and a tripod.
So this is the only mount you have for it? Is it still recording?
Is it still got the time?
The screen
on it?
went off. Oh.
Saving battery power. Where's these mountains? I wonder how well it's picking up those mountains.
Check it out, folks. Here's Kelsey's crater.
Shut up, Chris. The crater was a whole lot bigger than that.
Behind view. Forward view. So what I do, just touch the button. Recording again. So Kelsey, tell me what you think of your experience so far.
I like it.
Still walking on the same cratered ground.
Looks like a pig farm out there.
Kelsey thinks this is a pig farm. It's a big motherfucking pig farm.
Can't smell it though. Oh my god.
You're the one that wanted to fucking walk out here, boss.
This is lowest elevation.
So my
in
question
North
is, I get
America.
out here and
It's negative 282 feet
Oh.
below sea level.
we get info with the show.
That's right, I'm knowledgeable. Badwater. Is that thunder? What is that?
Yellowstone blew up.
Oh, that's scary.
There's crust opening in front of us. Stretched too far apart.
It's volcanic area. It used to be long
This
time
is
ago.
deceivingly short distance.
We're gonna be out of battery by the time we get there.
Where are we at anyway? Recording. It's important. I see this. Whatever this is.
Badwater.
There's a lot of bad water here.
Badwater Basin. Bubbles tobacco water.
Don't do that. I
That was
can't
the
let
song
them
I
know
was
how big
thinking
of a
of.
dork you are.
I can't even remember that song. Something about an old mule drinking water.
It's backwater.
Backwater. Not bad water.
That's that Missourian talk.
Hey haw.
I'm stopping now.
Slow poke back there. Regretting the coat decision.
I'm staying at the van next time.
It's gorgeous.
What's so gorgeous about it?
Look at the sky, honey.
We're in the middle of a giant pig farm. Help. Lost in the desert.
I'm on a trip.
Why are you videoing the ground?
Because it looks cool.
Weirdo.
God.
Don't video me. Get out of my face.
Where are you going?
Away from you.
Almost there.
Fuck you.
Chris.
I'm sorry.
Potty mouth, he's bitchy.
I can't say fuck you, but you can say bitchy.
They're already thinking it. Look at this, it just looks like a bunch of craters.
Alien craters.
This is cool.
Magnificent. Yeah, this is so much fun.
You're not enjoying yourself.
Okay, we made it. In other words.
This is Death Valley. We're parked way over there. How many miles?